Best apps for Instagram Reels editing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll show you the best apps for editing Instagram Reels from beginners friendly tools to advanced features. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, there is CapCut. CapCut can create a new project by importing your clips, explore its built-in templates for Reels which are perfect for viral trends. You can easily use transitions, effects, and text animations to make your content pop or smooth, so you can easily use AI background removal as well in CapCut. The next one is InShot. It is easy to use and you can trim videos to 9:16 ratio, add stickers, text, and training music. Some features may have watermarks as well. The other one is Canva Design Photo and Video Editor. You can easily drag and drop interface with Instagram Reels template and it is easy to use for beginners. And that's it. So CapCut, InShot, and Canva video editors are the best apps for editing Instagram Reels. So let me know your favorite in the comments. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.